I had to hit that walk of shame and pick up this 24 millimeter since I only have 24 millimeter deep sockets. So here we go. Oh yeah, about that time. Wait, baby. Seven complete. 2, 3, 5, 7. Relay.
Good stuff. Oh, good job, buddy. Okay. So fly on a little piece. Oh, more stuff. We will. I tried one. You got it, you got it. Yeah. You got it. Huh? All right, we're back in. Time to bedroom.
Are we left?
Huh?
Are we left? Are we recording now?
Yeah.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
I'll just over out. Yep, it's all about money.
Money.
Look, I don't know that capital, but most of the black part of it. I think those two jobs. You can't do capital. It's like go get it. So you have them. You know what I hate? Tell you what. You owe me $140.
You think it's stuff?
No, man.
Bro, why did this place broken?
No, I just want to I myself. You know them. We're not December. We're not February. What's February? What's March? Yeah, 16 months. Never reply. Well, I want to reply to you. Some are saying keep sending your other saying keep emailing about your work. No, I'm not working. No, I do. Yeah, that's you. You're a good please. Yeah. Okay, right.
Where?
Right here.
I can't see. Got you somewhere.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Why is it in the Bro, don't check my shit, please.
Bro, he's trying to $65 for $40 time. Fuck, he did it myself. The $230. No, oh, yeah, no. I just took over. Yeah, I do. But I don't want to get that. So, okay, I'm not you. I'll treat you. Oh, guys, okay. Okay, that goes. Yep.
That doesn't come out right there.
Yeah, Jason, oh man. That's what do they say? He's gonna... Hi.
Are you talking over Nate's principal?
Yes, sir. You're gonna go strong. You know, day shift, I'm kind of jealous because you go real far. My gym. Have you found a gym? Well, Willie goes to punch, so I'm assuming he started to bring on. But in the yeah. I'm the type of nigga that just. Wait, what's room? I'm really from there. What's the she. I was like, let me just. What? Nice. See, a year ago, I was like, you want to just big thing in my lap. I want to do this, man. So I was like, you know, we should switch. Okay. But you might not, that's kind of a thing.
So if they call you,
I'm gonna call you saying my start date is, she started the 17th, like, I'm gonna get the 15th for the 14th, and you message me like, hey, there's a problem with the first, and then message on the second, and then like send a text or something, about it, like, my wife, because I can't move to the gym, she said, oh, she said, yeah, because we're busy, oh, yeah, okay. Did you know? I didn't know she was coming. I know we're going to the first week of May. Like, second week of May, I don't know what's happening. Third week of May, I don't know. Fourth week of May, I know they're coming. They were saying, I guess. Yeah, I think the room and then.
Okay.
Yeah, so since that. That's serious.
Bro, you can have that show go.